Well, hello friends. Today we're gonna head up and check out Mount Quimper, Mount Manuel Quimper. Picturesque beginning. Nice and quiet at the entrance to the park. We haven't seen any other people yet, so lots of parking. Your bathroom there to start the trip off right, worry-free. Well, you start off on gravel road, bit of an incline, enough to get my sweat glands activated. Apparently this is called pacing, when you have a little break and a drink and like cool yourself down a bit. So I'm learning. Maybe, hopefully. Trail's alright so far. Not horrible. Steady. Just wanted to say thanks for coming with me on this one. And all of them. Appreciate it. Three kilometers still. That's only a kilometer. Whew, looks like we got a quick little offshoot here for hopefully some sort of quick little view. These damn trees in here. Just kidding, trees. I love you. Some deep bark. Interesting. Got him. You go to hell. You don't really get much break from the uphill. Tales of this have been told for millennia. The Mt Quimper glory hole. The ginger beef tip of the day. Pace yourself. Stay hydrated. And keep some nutrients in you. Whew. That was good. Tasty apple. Replenish some my burned off energy. Actually managed to cool down. I like this trail. What is it? Raspberry looking.
It's like a raspberry. There's just a different color.
She don't know. She wants to get rid of it.
There's orange ones.
Tasted edible. And this has been in sandals, so not the hardest trail. It is a whole other ball game when you're out in direct sunshine. Holy smokes. Off we go. Desert-like. Must find shade again. Oh, that's nice. Nice. You can see the old fire lookout. Oh, we're so close. We're gonna do it. And so are you, with a lot less effort. 560 meters of elevation. So not horrendous. Woohoo! So close. Better give the customary high five. All right, let's make it official.
First one. First one I've touched.
Congratulations.
I did it!
Well, it's not official. There's no geodesic marker. Sorry.
It counts.
Take a moment. Savor. Oh, we're home. Home sweet home. Hey, there we go. Say goodbye to Mt Quimper, Victoria. Actually, Sooke, I guess. Hard to want to say goodbye and leave it.
So good.
Thank you and good night.